Good vibes only.
Oh, I think of you. I do and do. Me for country water, like to waste my time. Maybe we can take a ride. Oh, I think of you. What we gonna do?
Hello boss, welcome! Behind me is China's largest softwood drying project. Our 52 fast-drying kilns can dry 2,000 cubic meters of radiata pines daily and up to 600,000 cubic meters annually. Let's check this out. Your lumber will be transported in by a rail trolley from one side and go out from the other side. This kiln dries your softwood 5 times faster than old school kilns. Features a fully aluminum structure, an aerodynamic drying circulation, and automatic temperature and humidity control. This smart guy dries your lumber evenly in just a few days, with 150 cubic meters capacity each. Those big dies are counterweight block. They will be placed on top of the wood stock to minimizing the softwood drying deformation. We have more kilns here. All those kilns were built in 2014 and has been running for 10 years. Years, 0 breakdowns, unmatched efficiency. If you want to boost their lumber business, choose tech drying kilns.